We want to bring you up to speed on a case that we are currently dealing with. We are currently investigating. We are in the middle of this investigation, but we have evidence at this point that we have been able to charge 36-year-old Michael Bell of Upper Marlboro. At any point, if you need to correct me, please let me know. At this point, we've been able to charge 36-year-old Michael Bell of Upper Marlboro. What we have so far is on November 26th at 6:30 in the morning. We have a young adult male victim standing on the street. We know that Bell approaches that man and demands his ID, and he's wearing a badge. He's got a flashlight out, much like a police officer would, and a badge that looks like a police officer badge. Bell demands that this victim give him his ID, and then he does a pat down. After that, Bell then tells our victim that this is a dangerous area and offers to drive him home. The victim agrees. The car, and we've given you a picture of the car. The car is a 2007 black Ford Crown Victoria. It has what appears to be emergency light bars inside the car, much like a police officer's car. The victim gets in the back of the car. Bell begins driving just a short distance. When he stops the car, Bell gets out of the car and into the back passenger seat with our victim. Our victim believes that Bell is a police officer. He is intimidated and he is in fear. Bell forces our victim to perform sexual acts. You will see the charges. He has been charged with several charges, to include rape, assault, and impersonating a police officer. Once the sexual attack is over in the back of the car, our victim is able to escape. He runs out of the car, and Bell then drives off. Our victim, very bravely though, is able to take a picture of Bell's license plate. That is what leads us to Bell. We have, and again, we are in the middle of an investigation, but we have been able to execute search warrants. We have gotten some evidence that makes us very concerned about the potential of other victims. There was that ID that Bell asks the victim to give to him, demands him upon approaching him, says, "Give me your ID," and then pats him down. We have located other ID of other people. We are looking into that now, which has us concerned. So we want very much the public to take a look at that car, take a look at that badge, and take a look at Michael Bell's picture. Speak with family members if you have any concern about any interactions that you have had with Michael Bell. Please contact detectives here at Prince George's County Police. We need to hear from you. Again, we are in the middle of an investigation, but we wanted to get this information out to the public as soon as possible.
Jen, what's his status now? What's Mr. Bell's status right now?
Mr. Bell is currently in jail. He's seen a commissioner, or waiting to see a commissioner. He's awaiting to see a commissioner.
Where did this incident happen at?
Do you think
At this point, we know we have our one adult male victim who was able to escape, get that picture of his license plate, and call us so that we can begin an investigation.
Where did this incident?
At this point, we don't know how many other victims we may have. We may have no other victims, but we're not taking any chances based on what we've found in the car, and we do want people to come forward. Our investigation is continuing.
Where's this incident happen at? Where did it happen at?
Sorry?
Where did it happen in the county?
The 2300 block of Guilford Road, Langley Park area. So far, according to and you'll see in the charging documents, there are at least 2 IDs that we found belonging to other adults.
this was found in